Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm here with another color grading tutorial and also the preset. And you will find the preset as a XMP format for Photoshop, Camera Raw and Lightroom CC, and also the DNG format for mobile Lightroom. And so at first open your photo in Photoshop, in Camera Raw or in a Lightroom. And at first I want to increase the temperature a little bit. I think +7 is good, and decrease the tint, -11 for tint and 72 for contrast and -25 for highlights and 70 for shadows and 7 for white and 68 for black. And then add some clarity. I'm giving 2 for clarity and +6 for vibrance and -19 for saturation. That's good. And then go to the curves, select the RGB and drag this point like this, input 0, output 14. That's good. And create another point and for the second point input 43 and output 38. That's good. Create a point here and drag this point a little bit down. I think this is good. And now go to the red channel and create a point here like this, just like this, and another point just like this. Yeah, this is good. And then go to the green channel and create a point here and one point here. And then last go to the blue and create a point here, just like this. And now go to the sharpening tool and I'm giving 110 for sharpening and radius 0.8 and detail 10 for detail and 7 for masking. And then come into the split tone and in the shadows section I am giving 93 for hue and 50 for saturation and 95 for balance. That's good. And now come into the camera calibration and I'm giving 9 for tint and 11 for hue in the red primary channel and 30 for saturation. And then come into the green primary. 23 for hue and -11 for saturation. And in the blue primary, -30 for hue and -48 for saturation. That looks good, I think. I should decrease the highlights a little bit more. 34, I think 35, -35 is good for this. And add some clarity. +5 is good. And now press OK when you are done. So look at this before and after. This is the before and this is after. It looks good. Let's try with other images, and I'm using exactly the same preset. Look at this. This was the before and this is after. Let's try with this. Look at this. This is the before and this is after. It looks great. And if you love this tutorial, hit the like button, leave your comments, and don't forget to subscribe.